Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you how to use the Google Doc because I forgot one step the last time I showed it to you. So here we have Daydream Careers. If you want to use the Word doc, that will just open on your computer. If you want to use the Google Doc, you actually need to make a copy. So it will say open in Google Docs, but it won't let you edit unless you go over here and you click on File, make a copy, and you can change it and add your name to it. For example, like Emily's Daydream Careers. And now that you have a saved copy, and now you can edit it, and you can start writing your own stuff in here, and it will show up. So, see, hello, that's what I want to be when I grow up. All right, I hope that helped. So make sure you make a copy, otherwise it won't let you edit. And then submit that copy. Thanks so much.